muertos. If y'all don't know that song, we can't hang. Ya chingamos.
Desde abajo como varios comenzamos y empezaba desde los 14.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm looking a hot mess. This freaking quality isn't helping either. Okay, I really need to get a freaking phone stand in this car. But anyways, little update. I did end up getting a new car, so I still have to do a little car tour for you guys. But as for today, you guys are just gonna be following me around today. I'm actually gonna go out tonight to an event with live music. It's outdoors, so that should be fun. So I'm gonna clean out my car a little bit and just clean up the little dust that it's picked up since I got it. I also have a few things that I got from Amazon that I do want to include in this vlog, because I bought a screen, like the screen protector for my for the screen on my car, and then I also got some license plates. They're super cute. I'm going to show you guys, and hopefully I can figure out how to put those on. I don't think they should be that hard to do, not rocket science or anything. I got my Starbucks here. Ahorita estamos tomando café, pero al rato vamos a estar tomando 1800 porque pues, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna see if I can prop you guys somewhere so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. So yeah, there's little Ava. You guys are at the weirdest angle, but that'll have to do because I don't have a car or a phone mount for my car yet. So that'll have to do. So this is the screen, touch screen protective film. Let's see if I can figure out how to do this. Let me read the instructions, you guys, because I don't want to fuck this up. Which I don't even think it came with instructions. Is this a joke? Am I being pranked? So I'm gonna just remove the current sticker that it has from when I got the car. That's so satisfying. Okay. So now I'm guessing I would go in with the wet wipe or whatever this is and just kind of clean off my screen. Oh fuck. I don't want to turn my car off. There you go. Now we're talking. So I'm gonna go in with these dust remover stickers. Try not to do that. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna try to hurry before anything gets on the freaking screen. What is going on? This does not come with instructions whatsoever. Backside adhesive, no shit. Okay. Ah! Oh my god, bro. Probably already fucked it up. relax. ¿Cómo iban a imaginarse que los bajarían ya muertos? If y'all don't know that song, we can't hang. Oh fuck, there's 2 of them. God. Yo nomás pensé que venía uno. Ya chingamos. Ya chingamos. Y que quede claro que ya eres mía. Alright, that's done. Now I have you guys propped on my other package, which let's see if it's not a scam. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Okay, so it comes in this cute little box. Hippo Creation is what the brand is called. Now let's see if it was worth, I think this was like around 40 bucks. Oh wow, you guys, this is actually cute. So this is what it looks like. It's just a sparkly black rhinestoned license plate, and I thought it was gonna be hella cheapy looking, but thankfully it's not, because like I said, I did pay a pretty penny for it. More than I wanted to spend on a license plate, but I was thinking, if I'm gonna spend money already on a license plate, I might as well get one that is gonna last and that is gonna actually look cute and sparkle. So this is gonna match the black detail that my car has on the outside, like the black trim around my car, so that should be cute. I might wait until my car's like squeaky clean to pop this on, but I will let you guys know, because today is just a mess, you guys. I'm trying to hurry what I have to do so that I can, you know, be ready for the bailongo tonight. So I'm probably just gonna leave this for another day, but I still wanted to show you guys that. So me voy a terminar mi cafecito, voy a aspirar mi carro, and then I'm gonna throw all this junk out, all the trash from the packages. Y luego alistarnos porque tonight should be fun. Alright, you guys, I am back in my room. As you guys can tell, I am actually trying to pick out an outfit for tonight. I am not sure at all whatsoever what I want to wear. But I also wanted to mention that I'm going to be using, let me bring it. So I bought a new straightener a couple weeks ago because the one that I have is Revlon, which I've stuck through with Revlon for the longest time, but I felt that it was time to purchase and splurge on a new straightener. This straightener was not cheap. I think it was like $120, which, guys, I never pay more than like 40 bucks for a straightener, but my hair was just asking for it. My hair was just dead, and I felt that my straightener that I was using was just frying my hair up, and it was really old, so thought it was time. I'm gonna try this out today. I haven't even taken it out of the box, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and then you guys will see me use it today. Huh? Anti pendejas. Okay, so that's what the straightener looks like. Oh, fail. We're gonna use that, and I'm just very excited to get rid. Oh, I was moving the remote. I'm very excited to get ready and look cute and, you know, be out. So that's exciting. So this is the first time I'm using this thing, so I have to figure it out. I'm gonna do 400 degrees. Ignore the cochinero on the back, you guys. I'm just not dealing with that right now. I think we're done. Wow. Impressed. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna quickly put on my jewelry, my outfit. I'll end up showing you guys my outfit. And then I have to hurry up and get out the door because my friend is going to be waiting for me. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit once I pick her up. Alright, you guys, so as you guys can tell, a bitch is ready to party and drink. This is my outfit. This is the shirt that I ended up going with. It's just a red, excuse my lonjitas, okay? Mi micro lonjitas, no las vean, okay? I promise you guys that when I stand up, they're not there. And it's fine. It's okay that lonjitas are there, all right? No se sientan mal, eh? Anyway, so the shirt that I have on is, you guys aren't going to believe it, it's from Ross. Yes, I'm going to tell you guys where my shit is from because I'm not stingy as fuck like that. So it's just a bodysuit, real cute, real simple, but the color is there. And then I ended up going through my Ya No Me Quedan jeans. It's like I have a box in my closet with like jeans que ya no me quedaban. But like a couple months ago, I ended up getting sick. No, it wasn't COVID, but I ended up going through the jeans that hadn't been fitting me for a while, and my black Levi's fit me, so that's exciting. So I'm wearing black Levi's, and then I'm just wearing my handy dandy cowgirl boots. So this is what my makeup looks like. Cute little simple golden neutral look, just because según yo I wanted to do a ¿qué les andaba contando? Oh yeah, I'm wearing my cowgirl boots and my makeup just because this goes well with any look, and I feel like the gold really looks well with red. So then I'm wearing these earrings that I always wear. Parezco foto, pero no se preocupen, eh? These are my favorite earrings, and I wear them anytime that I feel like I just need to like step it up a notch because they look bougie F. I'm wearing my Virgencita necklace. My nails are like a gray blue kind of color, which I did myself, super proud. But I'm just waiting for my friend. But I'm desesperada AF. Anyone that knows me knows that. So I think I'm just gonna head to the bank right now to get cash. But anyways, I think that's all. I'll probably see you guys once we're there. Hopefully we don't make it there too late because I think it starts at 5 and it's already 5. But let me get a hold of my friend. That was awesome. That was awesome.
Pasado me han humillado, pero me sigo con mi sonrisa. No siempre anduve drogado, tengo un pasado, pero mi vida va deprisa. Que me ven en los videos y le agradezco a ver que estoy. Ahorita estoy encerrado para mi pronta recuperación. ¡Y puro México, cabrones! Desde abajo como varios comenzamos. Yo empezaba desde los 14 años. Piensan que es muy fácil hacer contrabando, basurando y los putazos aguantando. Y está muy cabrón. Estatales con rango de inteligencia. Me cayeron